Working on or around tank barges requires special consideration regarding the handling and transportation of the various cargoes and products carried in tank barges. Tank barges may be designed to carry a specific product, or more commonly, designed to carry a variety of different cargoes. It is extremely important for all maritime personnel to become knowledgeable of the proper policies, procedures, and safeguards for handling chemicals with hazardous properties. Chemical information and operating procedures are key when transporting hazardous chemicals. There are many resources available from your employer, the Coast Guard, and the manufacturer regarding the safe handling of cargoes. This hazard communication program is intended to inform vessel and tank barge personnel of the basic guidelines in receiving, communicating, and implementing information about hazardous cargoes transported in tank barges. Where to find specific information about the cargo, the barges, and cargo handling precautions. How to read and interpret hazard communication information. And most importantly, the proper and safe methods for working around hazardous cargoes. It is your company's responsibility to develop a hazard communication plan, provide you with information about the material hazards you face, and implement engineering controls to minimize risk. But it is your responsibility to access this cargo information, take it seriously, and use it to protect you and your crewmates. There are hundreds of different cargoes that you may encounter working in the tank barge industry. Most of these products are considered hazardous and must be transported as such. It is fundamental to understand the kinds of hazards that these cargoes may present. Two types of hazards are associated with chemicals: physical hazards and health hazards. Physical hazards are created by substances that may burn easily, explode, or react in some way. Flammable and combustible cargoes are common and must be handled accordingly. As a good practice, you should treat all cargoes as if they are flammable. The ability of a chemical to either burn or support burning is a potentially disastrous physical hazard, especially bulk fuels found in tank barge operations. The primary measurements indicating when a liquid will burn are flash point, vapor pressure, boiling point, and auto-ignition temperature. Many cargoes will burn when their vapor is exposed to an ignition source. While no single measure of flammability is sufficient for all purposes, the most commonly found measure is the flash point.